got one last thing that we promised that we'd do to the truck, and that's going to be a custom Shoemaker Performance tune using this Shoemaker Performance AVID device here. Now the AVID device is good for much more than just calibrating. You can do a bunch of other things with it, including monitor the vehicle parameters, whether it be fuel-air ratios or IAT temps, coolant temps, oil temps. What's going on, Team Lethal fans? It's Joe here with Lethal Performance. Today, I'm standing here, as you can see, with our Team Lethal F-150 giveaway truck. Now, as you guys already know, we did already give this truck away to Danny V out in Arizona. So congrats to you, Danny V, for winning our giveaway. We appreciate all your support over all these years that you've been a customer here at Lethal Performance. However, before we send this truck out to you, we've got one last thing that we promised that we'd do to the truck, and that's going to be a custom Shoemaker Performance tune using this Shoemaker Performance AVID device here. Now, we have a couple tricks up our sleeve with this AVID device here that we're going to show you before we get everything all settled in on the truck. To start things off, we actually had to unlock the ECU on this truck. As many of you guys know, with the 2021 and up F-150s, the ECUs are locked down. However, with the 21 to 23 F-150s, custom tuning is available if you can send the ECU off to get unlocked, or with an SET device if you have their specific cords and their specific cables in order to tune the truck. Now, we decided to send it off to our friend Jon Bowen over at Juggernaut Performance, and he got the ECU unlocked for us so that we could use this AVID tuning device. Now, with this AVID, it is a custom Lethal Performance AVID device with a custom interface that I'm going to show you guys here in a second, which we wanted to show off because it is amazing. It's a badass little device, and we're thankful to Jon over at Juggernaut Performance for getting it done for us. Now that we got the ECU back in the truck from Jon over at Juggernaut, we can go ahead and plug the interface into the OBD2 port and show you guys the whole interface of this device. Now, the AVID device is good for much more than just calibrating. You can do a bunch of other things with it, including monitor the vehicle parameters, whether it be fuel-air ratios or IAT temps, coolant temps, oil temps. Whatever the OBD2 can pick up, this device can read and show back to you in live time. Not only that, it can read and clear DTC codes and a bunch of other features that I'm going to go through here real briefly once I plug it in. Now, this device here is specifically sold through us through Shoemaker Performance, so if you guys want to pick up this device here, got to make sure to pick up a Shoemaker Performance tune with that. So just to show you what this device is all about, let's go ahead, take it out of the box here and plug it in. Now, the AVID device does come supplied with its OBD2 cable as well as a suction cup dash mount, so that's a nice little touch there. So we're going to start by plugging in the cable to the back of the AVID device here. It shouldn't matter which port you plug it into, just choose one of the ports and make sure that it's fully inserted into that, and then plug it into the vehicle. Look at that. Custom splash screen there done by Jon Bowen. We greatly appreciate that. That's absolutely badass. Custom lethal interface. We have our own lethal background there. As you can see, it's a touchscreen device. We have flash there as the lethal skull. Go ahead and touch that, and we can go ahead and select, once we have the key on, select the tune that we want to load onto there, and it should load it without a problem. Otherwise, here we have a few other functions here. We have gauges if we wanted to view vehicle diagnostics here. Lets you configure the gauges you want to do. You can do up to 12 different gauge readings, which is a huge amount for any device. They have a few presets here depending on what custom tunes you have loaded on. We'll go ahead and just go for this one here, select it. It's got a weird little quote there, that's kind of funny. And check that out. We now have some gauges up here, and we have ambient air temp, engine RPM, barometric pressure, engine coolant temp corrected, that's in Celsius. Obviously, we can change all of this around here when we decide to. However, for just an initial startup screen there, you get the picture, you get that you can set this up to pretty much any parameter that you possibly may ever want on here, or whichever one your tuner recommends you have up. Overall, really badass device here, and I hope the winner of the truck enjoys it. Now again, guys, we want to give a special thank you to all of the people and brands that were involved in the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway truck, including Morimoto, Cervinis, Whipple Superchargers, UPR Products, Weld Wheels, Forge Star, RK Sport, Corsa Performance, Cook's Headers and Exhaust, IHC suspension, Kel-Track, as well as WBA Performance for installing all of those parts. We also again want to give a shout out to Jon Bowen at Juggernaut Performance for hooking it up with the Custom AVID device from Shoemaker Performance and giving it the whole custom lethal interface, as well as unlocking the ECU for this truck so that we could get the tune loaded on there. And that's pretty much going to wrap it up, guys, for the Team Lethal F-150 giveaway truck right before we hand the keys off to our man Danny. And congrats again, Danny, for winning this badass truck. If you guys have any questions or you want to make sure you get your hands on the next giveaway that we're going to be doing here at Lethal Performance, please make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and of course make sure that you are signed up for our emails so that you don't miss out on any deals or chances to win another vehicle here at Lethal Performance. Guys, it's been Joe with Lethal Performance, and I'm out of here. Yeah, walk in the shot, why don't you?
Oh, I didn't know you were talking.
Yeah.
I didn't hear you. Sorry.
Chad.
That should just.
Where's the ECU? Where's the ECU on this thing?
That's actually the shot.
Yeah, I know.
Back into the camera. Whoa.
Yep.